Hello everybody, it's Malik for Tech Enterprise and welcome to your second Java tutorial. In the previous video, we were taught how we can download the JDK file and have it installed on our PC. Now in this video, we will be installing what is called an IDE, Integrated Development Environment. Now an IDE, like the name implies, is simply an environment or a platform that allows you to write Java code. Now an IDE and a JDK works hand in hand. Like I said earlier in my first video, the JDK does what is called the compilation, while the IDE is an environment where we can write lots and lots of Java desktop or mobile applications. Now for this course, we'll be using the Intellij IDE, which is an IDE which I recommend most new software developers to use as they progress along in this course. It is very, very interactive and it's something I know you will love. Now to download the Intellij IDE, we go to your Chrome browser and on the search page we type JetBrains.com and you click on it, and this takes you to the official download page for Intellij IDE. Now I will need you to go to your tools bar, then click on this Intellij IDE over here, click on it, and once you have that open, you move down and you click on download. And once you click on download, it's going to take you to the download page for Intellij IDE. You can see here we have Ultimate and we have Community. Now the Ultimate is not the free version, it's the paid version, but it had 1 month free trial. Now the Community is a free version. It's something I'll also recommend new software developers to download. So I'll come over here and I'll click on download. My download should begin in a minute. It's downloading over here. So once you have the Intellij IDE downloaded on your PC, the next thing is to install it. So I'll go to my File Explorer. I'll go to the download bar here over here, and I'll click on this icon. This is the application icon for Intellij. I'll double click on it. I'll click on yes because it's saying I should allow you to make changes to my device. I'll click on next. It's going to create this, the destination folder. It's actually inside my program files. So I don't want that change. I'll click on next. And my installation should proceed very soon. Now over here you see 32-bit launcher and 64-bit launcher. That's under create desktop shortcut. So I'm using a 64-bit system. So I'll click on this. But if you're using a 32-bit system, it's important to know that you have to click on this 32-bit launcher. Then you click on download and install JRE by JetBrains. It's very important to tick on this too if you are using a 32-bit launcher or your system is a 32-bit system. So, but mine is a 64-bit, so I'm gonna uncheck this. I'll click on the 64-bit. Then I need to create this associate folder here over here. It's not compulsory, but I really like it because sometimes I will need to open some file extension that has a .java, a .groovy, or a .kt. You understand? So I'll check on this. I'll click on it. I'll check them. So once I'm done with that, I'll click on next. I'll click on next, install, and it should start extracting. You can see over here that immediately I clicked on install, the Intellij IDE icon appeared over here. So I'm gonna wait for it to get installed. So guys, I'm done installing Intellij IDE on my PC. So I'll click on finish. So I'll come over where I have the Intellij IDE icon. I'll double click on it. It should start loading. So before we begin any coding on Intellij IDE, we need to first of all configure the IDE. So what I need to do is to come over here where I have my configure. I'll click on it. Then I'll select my project default. I'll also click on it. Now I'll go to project structure and click on it. You should see a dialog box like this. So if you come under project SDK, you will notice that my system was not able to detect the version of JDK file that was installed on it. So I'll need to manually select it. So I'll come here, I'll select the version. I had version 11 installed on my PC, so I'll click on it. Then I need to select the project language level in respect to the version of JDK file that was installed. So I'll come down here and I'll go to where I have level 11, 11 local variable syntax for Lambert parameters. I'll click on it and I'll click on apply, and I'll also click on OK. So next off, I'll click on create new project. So once I click on create new project, I'll click on next. Then my project name should carry my name. Sorry about that. Wisdom. Finish. So guys, thanks for watching. The link to download the Intellij idea will be in the description panel below. So just click on it and download. In the next video, we'll be talking about classes, methods, and objects. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to get new notification each time a new video is uploaded. Thank you.